Here's behaviour I've seen so consistently across businesses who've been running Facebook ads that I've actually stopped being surprised by it. Gradually, their cost per lead creeps up, their inquiry quality drops, and they might get about half the amount of appointments that they used to get even a few months ago. And the response, almost universally, is to look at their offer. And then they tweak the language, they adjust the price, they add in a bonus, then they try a different angle. They bring in a new copywriter. They change the creative. They test a new hook. Some of them go all the way back to questioning whether their offer is actually good enough, whether their positioning is right, or whether they've even chosen the right market. Let me stop you before we go forward and say the issue is rarely what you're offering. In most cases, the offer was fine before the ad stopped working, and it's still fine now. The more likely change is that the audience that you're reaching with your ads just need to see your offer in a different way. Okay, so let me give you an example. Now, your ads may have stopped answering the question that your buyers are considering before buying a product or a service like yours. And this is the thing that took me a while to understand clearly, to be honest. I mean, like you've got a buyer moving towards a purchase decision. They don't just have one question. Think about it for yourself, they have several. And these questions tend to surface in a very specific order if you think about your own journey, okay? So the first few tend to be about whether you are relevant to their situation at all, and that's how they filter you out. And then the middle questions in people's minds tend to be about whether your solution is even credible. But the final questions, as people get closer to it, are more about whether this is the right time, the right investment, and the right commitment for them right now. A single ad, though, can only really answer one or two of these questions, which means a single ad, no matter how well written, can only ever speak to the buyer at one specific point in their buyer's journey. And when an ad campaign relies on one ad or two ads that are essentially the same ad with different images, what happens over time is predictable. The people who were at exactly the right point in their decision journey when they first saw the ad, the people whose current question it matched is what that ad was actually answering, well, those people actually converted. They're the 2 to 3%, okay? They were ready. That ad spoke to them in the right moment, at the right time, and it worked. But for the rest of the people who were at different points in their buying journey, they wouldn't have converted because the ad had answered a question they hadn't even asked yet, or had already answered for themselves. So sometimes these kinds of ads raise more questions than they answer. So you end up getting a confused audience. And here's what happens as a campaign like that runs for longer. The people who is perfectly positioned to convert have already converted. And what's left in the audience is now made of people who are interested, but they're usually not ready to buy yet. And they usually have a lot of questions that need answering. And people who need different questions answered before they'll even move forward. And they don't want to reach out to you yet because they're not ready, okay? So what happens is it ends up being wasted ad spend, basically. So as advertisers, we see that this campaign is doing poorly, and often we'll look at everything else, and then we'll look at the creative or the copy or the targeting. We'll change all the details because the numbers say that something's wrong with the ad. But think about this. If our clients have either a false belief or certain objections to our service that we have never addressed in our ads, they're not going to reach out to us and ask if they have these concerns, especially not sophisticated buyers. So it's the pattern I've kind of watched across dozens of accounts, and it is pretty consistent. So if you think about this, if a business only runs one or two ads for their offer, and those ads work for a period and then they start working, and what you notice is businesses either give up on that strategy or they restart again from scratch, and the cycle then repeats, yeah? The business that breaks out of this cycle, though, it's not that they're necessarily better at writing ads or running ads or any of that. Instead, what they have is a structure that ensures that the right ad with the right information is in front of the right buyer at the right moment in their decision process. And when you think about every question a potential client is actually asking themselves in their mind before they will commit to working with you, you'll start to see that those questions are actually quite predictable. There's things like money objections, can I afford this? Time objections, have I got time to fit this into my life? And you've got things like effort objections, how much effort's it going to take me? Sacrifice objections, what am I going to have to give up to be able to fit this into my life? And then there's things like adoption decisions, things like, is this better than what I'm doing already? You got relative advantage. Is this compatible with my own lifestyle, my business, etc.? And compatibility. Then you have things like complexity, observability, trialability. There's quite a list there. And they are variations of the same question that every buyer has in every market that they ask. But we just shape it by your offer and your audience or where they're at and what their kind of questions they'll be asking. And when you actually map out those questions and build an answer to each one and put it out there, usually in a retargeting campaign where you're targeting people who've already shown an interest to make the most of your ad spend, you're going to find that you're going to have a much smoother go, much smoother flow, okay? Because buyers who are considering your offer see an ad that speaks to who they are, where they're at right now, and they feel connected. It feels like you're speaking directly to them at that moment. And buyers who are further along see a different ad that speaks to where they're at right now and answers the question they've got. And then what happens is your campaign stops being like a single pitch that either works or fails, and instead it actually starts being like a system that meets each person at their specific point in their buying journey. And the brilliant thing right now is because Facebook's algorithm can learn over time which ad a particular person is most likely to respond to based upon how they've engaged with the content before, where they're at in their customer journey, what they're already looking at. And the system just becomes more and more efficient as it runs because it learns. And it shows the right ad to the right person more often. And each person who converts was then ready to convert, which means that the quality of what then comes out the other end is so different too. And what I find most interesting about this pattern is how rarely people think about it as a systems problem. Because when we look at people's ads management and their ads, and then they're saying that things are getting worse, the conversation almost centers around the quality of the individual ad. Is the copy good? Is the hook strong? Is the creative stopping the scroll? Look at my numbers. And these things do matter, of course. But even an excellent ad answering the wrong question at the wrong moment, it's just not going to convert. You know that when you see ads in your own feed. In an average ad answering exactly the question someone is currently asking, well, that actually does work. So the businesses that understand this stop to ask what's wrong with my ads, and they start asking, which question is my audience currently asking right now? And which ad in my campaign is designed to answer it? And it's actually that shift in question that leads to a fundamentally different kind of advertising system with a fundamentally different result. One where the answer into declining results isn't with a new ad, but with an order of which question has gone unanswered.